Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can speed up a video using Camtasia. Okay, so I'm using Camtasia 9. I believe that if you're using 7 or 8 or even a future version, it should work the same way. Okay, so yeah, so I don't think the version really matters. Okay, so you can see over here I have a video of Call of Duty, just a regular video playing, So basically, this video is, let's see how long, let me pause it. It's 18 minutes long. And obviously, I don't want to put up a video of 18 minutes long, right? I just want it to be, I just want it to be a quick time lapse of the whole 18 minutes, okay? So, you want to come to this panel over here. If you have an older version, it looks different, right? But on this version, it's on the left, right? You want to go to visual effects, okay? And then over here, you can see clip speed, okay? And you want to just drag it on here, okay? And you can see it says effect added, all right? And you get this thing over here, this tiny little arrow, which when you hover over it says show effect. So I click it, and it shows clip speed is 100. Okay, so obviously 100 is clip speed is 1. Okay, and obviously 1 is basically, it's whatever the normal speed is, right? So one way you can do it is basically just drag it from the left, right? My bad. You want to drag, make sure you don't drag the video to the left. You want to drag this this thing over here to the left, okay? Because if you drag the video to the left, then it's basically just shortening the video from the front. Okay, so now you can see it is not 18 minutes, it is just around 6 minutes. All right, I'll shorten it a little more. Okay, so now this is around 4 minutes. Let's keep it to like 3 minutes. Oops. Alright, whatever. It's kind of less than 3, right? That's fine. And you can see the speed up is 7.05. Okay. And another way you can do it is if you right click it, do show properties, and over here you can see the speed over here, okay? And so let's just change it to 3 minutes, 0 seconds, and frame rates, just oops, I think 29 was fine. So minutes 3 seconds 0. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Can I do it to exactly 3? Oops, I think I did 3. Alright, 259, that's good enough. Alright, and you can see the frame rates over here. The speed is actually 6.22. So let's rewind it and let's play it. So you can see that, and it's kind of lagging. That's just my computer, right? So let's go a little forward, because I have a lot of stuff running, right? So yeah, you can see that obviously this is like way sped up. You wouldn't normally want to do it this quick in a video, but basically this is how you do it, and now you can just render the video and it will show you everything. I think because 6 is too quick, you can do it. Let's change it to 4 times faster, right? See, this looks a lot better. You would want to do something like this, which is pretty good. All right, so that's basically it. It's really simple. All you gotta do is drag the clip speed visual effect right onto the clip, and basically that's it. All right, so yeah, if you guys have any question or comment, please leave them down below. If you like the video, make sure to like it, and that really helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.